Good evening and thank you for joining us at ABC4. The faces of millions of Utahns are being scanned by agents without your knowledge or consent. A bombshell report from the Washington Post states FBI and ICE agents have been scanning your driver's license photo through facial recognition programs to look for suspects, raising concerns about privacy laws. ABC4's Brittany Johnson live at Salt Lake City DMV with the story tonight.
That's right, Emily. So a law professor I spoke with says each time a search was done, your DMV photo was scanned without your knowledge. It's something you didn't even know was happening. Tonight, it's raising questions and concerns about privacy. And is this even constitutional? This article from the Washington Post is triggering concern in Utah. It states FBI and ICE agents had access to driver license information and logged more than 1,000 facial recognition searches between 2015 and 2017 in our state.
It's probably a tough time for undocumented immigrants in general, with ICE being so much more aggressive than they have been in the past.
Matthew Toxin is an associate professor at the University of Utah Law School. He says this isn't only a concern for undocumented immigrants. The facial recognition practice prompts privacy concerns for everyone.
You might have similar cheekbones or a nose structure or something to an undocumented person. That means that you might be subject to ICE enforcement. Again, in a situation where they make a mistake.
The Utah Department of Public Safety, which oversees the driver license division, says 1,900 requests were made by local and state, not just federal law enforcement agencies, and only 49 of them by ICE. Only 10% of those resulted in a positive hit.
Whenever they do even one scan, that scan is, my understanding is that scan is of every face in the database, and they just go until they get a match. So it's not like they're only scanning suspects or something like that. My understanding is that they scan all of us.
Toxin says whether this is constitutional or not remains unclear at this point.
The Supreme Court hasn't really weighed in on issues of facial recognition yet. Just because it doesn't necessarily violate the Constitution, that doesn't mean it's a good thing or something that we don't want to address with legislation.
Different civil organizations say they have a lot more questions than answers about all of this. They are starting their investigation, looking into this, and if needed, they will push the legislature to enact tougher laws. Now reporting live in Salt Lake City, I'm Brittany Johnson, ABC4 News.